grand rising, beautiful souls. Just like nature is expressing itself right here before our eyes, we express fully who we are, embrace fully who we are by letting God express totally to us and through us, because that is our true nature. The nature of God flows to us and through us, and we embrace every beautiful now moment in the natural order, the natural flow, the natural way of being. With every breath we take, every move we make, everything we do is an expression of the Christ consciousness made manifest in human form. We are that Christ consciousness. We are expressing and never doubting the beauty of who we are, because the beauty of who we are is the beauty of who Christ is. God's beauty is our beauty. We are one beautiful, united harmony of truth and love and light of Christ, flowing, going, growing, immersed in the true essence of God, the true Christ-like nature, the child that we are in the garden, the beautiful heaven on earth. It's now, beautiful souls. Embrace the beauty of you. You are amazing. You are the creator. You are here now. Everything is now. Believe and receive. Believe in yourself. Love yourself wholly and totally, because you are holy. You are amazing. You are unstoppable. Believe and receive, and you will achieve all your dreams, goals, and desires. They are here now. Stay focused, stay centered in who you are. Wishing you the most outstanding, amazing day, everyone. Have a beautiful day expressing your truth.